Judging results are being put together now. We look forward to our award ceremony around 2 o'clock or shortly thereafter. We'll get underway with our award-winning automobiles as selected by the outstanding team of judges from all over North America, put together by our chief judge, Mr. Mel Mann. And he's been judging cars for 25 years. What a great leader and what a great team of judges we have here this weekend.
That was a little background here at the LakeMirror Classic Car Show. Happens once a year. I rank it in Florida here to be almost equal in status to the really great car shows around. And of course, we have Amelia Island, and that, of course, is really the hallmark. But this is very respectable in terms of the cars that they get. This is a 1904 Olds Curved Dash Runabout, and has a crank there, and the engine's in the back, and you can see how very basic the car is. Not much more than a carriage with a motor, and that plaque there gave you information about the engine itself. And a great seller, big mass seller at a reasonable price. So of course the Model T took over from Ford, but this is how it all started. One cylinder.